Can you solve all these Class 3 Maths Chapter 8 Who is heavier questions? 22g equal to.
Correct, 61 is the right answer.
Plus 239 equal to.
Excellent choice. 423 is the right answer. G equal to dash the key. Smart move. 80 is an accurate answer. G equal to. Strong choice. Twanlamgis is the right answer.
Fitel equal to dash mel.
Correct response. 5000 is the most accurate answer.
AKG equal to dash.
Good job. Your answer 8000 works well here. A brick weighs. Right choice. More than 1 kg is the best answer. 1L is dash the mil. Great job. 1000 is the accurate answer.
42L equal dash de.
Smart pick. 42,000 is the correct choice. Divided by 9. Nicely done. 6 is a solid answer. 1 ton equal to dash key. Well done. 1000 is the right choice. Double of 17. Nice work. You chose 34 kg and it is correct. Half of 1 kg is? Clear logic. Your choice 500 gram is sound and 100% true.
1 kg for g equal to dash.
Nice selection. 3.4 kgs is the correct and valid answer.
1 kg equal dash gram.
Great thinking. 1000 is the right choice. 3 kg equal to 3x dash g. Good thinking. 1000 is the right answer. Plus 250g plus 250kg equal to dash. Sharp thinking. 1 kg is the right choice. G plus dash g equal to 2 kg. Exactly. 500g makes sense and it is right choice.
15k is equal to the say g.
You chose 15,000 joule and it is correct. G plus 200 plus 50g equal to. You got it. Your choice 450g is right. Kg equal to dash kgs dash g. On track. 2 kg 450g is the correct answer. 1 quintal equal to dash kg. Valid point 100 is true. 5 kg 730g equal to dash. 4 270g is the answer.
G plus 630g equal to dash kg.
Excellent. 1 kg is a brilliant choice. Dash kg equal to 24,000. Well picked. 24 kgs is the correct answer. 70 kg plus 82 kg equal to dash kg. Perfect. Fix 60 is the correct choice. 2 kg plus 3 kg equal to dash g. You're right. 5000g is the correct answer. 31g free g equal to the dash gg. Solid response. 31300g is a valid choice. We weigh a pencil in. Well reasoned. Grams is the correct choice. Half kilogram equal to dash g. Right again. 500g is a valid answer. Double of 1000 gram is. Right choice. 2000 gram is the best answer. 16 kg 800g equal to dash g. Good job, your answer 13th 200g works well here. Plus 2000g plus 2000g equal to dash g. Great job, 6000g is the accurate answer. G plus 300 plus 150g equal to dash. Sharp thinking. 6050g is the right choice. An elephant weighs -kg. Well picked. 1000 is the correct answer.
A bucket has the capacity of 112 is the answer. We use a dash of salt in upma.
Well reasoned. Spoon is the correct choice.
Which weighs more 1 kg or 500 ml?
Nice work. You chose 1 kg and it is correct. Which of these is the lightest? Smart move. Flour is an accurate answer. What do you understand by kg? You got it? Your choice kilogram is right.
500 plus 3 kg is 500g equal to -kg. Smart pick.
9 kg is the correct choice. A spoon of sugar weight around dash. Nicely done. 10g is a solid answer. How many milliliters are in a liter? On track. 1000 is the correct answer.
To measure weight of a thing we need.
You chose both, and it is correct.
Which amount is less 250 ml or 250 L?
Perfect. 250 ml is the correct choice. A school bag is dash than a pencil box. Excellent choice. Heavier is the right answer. Which one of the following is heaviest? Correct, wongies is the right answer.
Who is lighter between a cat and a cow?
Nice selection. Cat is the correct and valid answer. The standard unit for measuring weight is... Solid response. Gram is a valid choice.
Which unit of measurement is the largest?
Strong choice. kg is the right answer. What is the unit of measurement of liquids? Good thinking. Liter is the right answer. Choose the correct answer. 4000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 3 equal to dash.
Correct response. 4503 is the most accurate answer.
What order would be the heaviest to lightest? Excellent. Rush, pencil is a brilliant choice. In a simple balance, how many pans are there?
You're right. 2 is the correct answer.
Who is heavier between an elephant and a dog? Exactly. Elephant makes sense and it is right choice. What order would be the lightest to heaviest? Well done. Feather, phone, car is the right choice.
How much can be the approximate weight of a cat?
Clear logic. Your choice 6 kgs is sound and 100% true. In which balance we use weights of different measures. Valid point. Simple balance is true. Which of the following vegetables is measured in grams? Right again. Coriander leaves is a valid answer. Harry weighs 36 kg and Mary weighs 30 kg. Who's heavier? Great thinking. Harry is the right choice.
What is the best unit to measure the length of a finger? Valid point.
Centimeters is true.
Choose the correct answer. 0.81s plus 900s plus 3 10s equal to dash.
Strong choice. 938 is the right answer. Choose the correct answer. The predecessor of 1000 is dash. Right again, 999 is a valid answer. Which of the following would weigh closest to 7 kilograms? Nicely done. A dog is a solid answer. What unit would to measure the length of a football field? Well done. Meter is the right choice. Rice is measured in liter and milk is measured in kilogram. You chose false, and it is correct. Which of the following is not the measuring unit of weight? Weight. On track. Meter is the correct answer.
Tommy weighs 30 kg and Giovanni weighs 23 kg. Who's lighter?
Correct response. Giovanni is the most accurate answer. Silpa weighs 12 kg and Suman weighs 24 kg. Their total weight is exactly 36 kg. Makes sense, and it is right choice. Which of the following is most likely to weigh more than 1 kilogram? Great job. A brick is the accurate answer. Which is heavier between 3 kg of potatoes and 3,000 gram of tomatoes? Right choice. Both are equal is the best answer. What is the best estimate for the length of our class computer table? Well reasoned. 3 meters is the correct choice. If you divide 1 kg mud equally into 2 bags, then weight of each bag is. Good thinking. 500 g is the right answer. Which of the following units is used to measure how heavy an object is? Correct. Grams is the right answer. Which unit of measurement would you use to measure the weight of a bag of apple? Smart move. Kilogram is an accurate answer.
Supriya's bag weighs 2 kilograms. Shanaz's bag weighs 1,800 grams. Whose bag weighs more?
You're right. Supriya's bag is the correct answer. Prabir bought 5 kg of cauliflowers and 5 kg of tomatoes. Which vegetable will be more in number? Nice selection. Tomatoes is the correct and valid answer. 10 apples weigh as much as 2 watermelons. How many watermelons would weigh the same as 25 apples? Clear logic. Your choice 5 watermelons is sound and 100% true. Your father's weight is double of your weight. If your weight is 25 kgs, then your father's weight will be. You got it? Your choice 50 kgs is right. A shopkeeper had 50 kilograms of potatoes. He sold 12 kilograms. How much quantity of potatoes is now left with him? Well picked. 38 kgs is the correct answer.
Which object weighs less?
Excellent choice. Strawberry is the right answer. Choose the correct option. Sharp thinking. 51 is the right choice. Weight of an elephant is about. Excellent. More than 1,000 cars is a brilliant choice.
A glass of water is measured in.
Nice work. You chose milliliter and it is correct. The tennis ball weighs dash the book. Smart pick. Lighter than is the correct choice. What is the weight of a bowl of apples? Perfect. 2 kgs is the correct choice. Choose the best measurement for capacity. Good job. Your answer milliliter works well here. Match the objects to their likely weights. Great thinking. A3B1C24 is the right choice. 1 kg of wood is heavier than 1 kg of cotton. Solid response. False is a valid choice. What unit best measures the mass of this apple? Bravo, grams is the answer. Mum brings some treats for the cake sale. Her friend has brought 79 treats. When they put them together, they have 145.
How many did Mum bring?
Clear logic. Your choice 66 is sound and 100% true.
The weight of the clock is equal to how many balls?
Excellent. 2 is a brilliant choice. Plastic bottle, 50 gra, glass bottle, 120 gra. What's lighter? Exactly. The plastic bottle makes sense, and it is right choice.
Would you measure this object in grams or kilograms?
You're right. Grams is the correct answer.
Look at the picture. What could the weight of the slippers be?
You chose 215 grams, and it is correct. What can you say about the weight of the eye mask and sunglasses? Solid response. Both ways the same is a valid choice.
What is the weight of the suitcase on the balance if both sides are equal?
Excellent choice. 8 kg is the right answer.
Tina and her 4 friends each get 9 Smarties from the box she brought from home. How many were in the box?
Well done. 45 is the right choice.
In the balance shown, a 250-gram block exactly balances an apple and a 100-gram block. What is the weight of the apple?
Great thinking. 150 grams is the right choice.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
On track. Contact Narayan Chengder on Facebook is the correct answer.